Hello friends, this is Menak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our video tutorial series on G+3 Building Design using Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, in the previous videos we had assigned our combination loads and also our seismic loads. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, please go and have a look. In this video, we will show you how to design pile foundations in Tekla Structural Designer. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll go to our foundations and then we'll go to our catalogs. After that, you can see a pop-up window showing the heading as pile catalog. Now we can simply click on add and then we need to insert some data, pile capacity, vertical, horizontal. So first of all, we'll simply insert a name here. Go to our data and then put a name, let's say P, and installation type will give as driven piles. So we are using driven piles, and for the dimension part we'll give it a diameter of 250 mm, and for the length part we can choose the length based on our requirement. Since it is G+ building, the dimension can be given as 3 to 4 meters, so we can give the dimensions between 3 to 4 meters. So let us insert the dimension here, 3.66, and the pile type is end bearing, which is okay, and then compressive resistance and tensile resistance are given as 300 and 200 kilonewton respectively. Horizontal restraint is fixed and then okay. So we have filled the pile catalog. Now I'll go to our settings so that we can change the reinforcement types for our pile. So we'll go to this column foundation, okay, foundations, and then we have isolated footing, then pile cap. So in pile cap you can see minimum loose bar size and maximum loose bar size. So the minimum loose bar size is 10 and the maximum is 12. So if we want, we can change this. For now we are changing the grade of the steel to Fe 500 and the minimum reinforcement size is 10, and also this grade is 500 and the maximum reinforcement size is also 10. So we want to use only 10 mm bars in our pile cap. And then in the reinforcement layout, we'll go to our foundation size. Then pile cap, maximum depth, minimum depth. We can change all these depths as per our preference. So let us fix a minimum depth of 250 mm and maximum depth of 450 mm. General parameters we can also change. So this is cover and spacing check parameters. Maximum nominal aggregate size will keep as 20 mm downgrade. And here, as you can see, minimum number of piles for pile caps under 2 columns. So it is set as 2 here, and maximum number of piles for pile caps under columns, it is set as 4 here. So 2 is the minimum and 4 is the maximum. We can change this as 3 and 3. So we want 3 pile caps here. So we just save it and then do OK. Then what we'll do is we'll select pile cap column and then select the base. So as you can see, the pile has been applied along with the 3 pile cap. So after the application of these pile caps, we'll proceed for the design of the pile. So the design of the pile we can do in the upcoming videos. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.